Today, I only prepare my potatoes like this. Start by cutting 4 large potatoes in half. Then cut off the tips of these potatoes so they are flat. Now using a teaspoon, scoop out the insides of these potatoes, just like I'm doing here. And repeat this process with all potatoes. Once you've done that, into a medium saucepan, add the sliced potatoes. The ingredients and directions to this recipe will be detailed in the comment section below, step by step. Then add enough water to cover them all. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 bay leaves. Now let it cook over high heat for 10 minutes. After this indicated time, potatoes have cooked through. You may turn off the heat, drain all the water, and set aside. To make the filling, cut 100 grams of sliced cooked ham. Start by cutting the sliced into thin strips. Then cut in the opposite direction, making small dices, and set aside. Also cut 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out, and thank you for sharing this recipe. Now into a medium bowl, add all ham slices. Also add the mozzarella slices, parsley to taste, and 200 grams of cream cheese. Using a spatula or spoon, mix it all together very well until ingredients fully combine. This is the right consistency. You may now stop mixing it. After that, using a teaspoon, fill all the potatoes next. Wrap a thin slice of bacon around each stuffed potato and hold the ends together with a toothpick, just like I'm doing here. Transfer all these potatoes to a large baking dish that can go in the oven. Finally, add a small slice of mozzarella on top of each potato. Now take it to a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and let it cook for 15 minutes or until cheese is slightly brown. Cooking time may vary depending on the power of your oven. I really hope you like this recipe. Thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.